straight away. Yes, sir. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video, man. In the BMW 40,000 hatchback, max paint a billion, I don't even know. But today we actually get to witness a beautiful day out. It's actually like 62 degrees, and I'm just glad that I'm able to, you know, do a video for you guys in this weather, because it's finally getting nice out. So I'm gonna go hop in the car, do a little drive for you guys. The car is looking clean. I was gonna get it washed again, but it's not that bad, and I guess it is supposed to rain like on Wednesday or Thursday or something like that. So if I wash it today, it's gonna be dirty in the next day, so it's okay. Car's looking nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead, jump in it, and just go for a drive. Make sure you guys subscribe if you enjoy, like the video, and comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. But yeah, enjoy. Let's get it. Let's get a little cold start for you guys. Yep. Let me get some chapstick, man, or some aqua. This is what I use for my lips, bro, because honestly, bro, this be lasting way longer than chapstick. I also put that in, I also put it on my hands, because it stays nice and moist, and you don't get that dry ass hands, bruh. Start driving with the windows down finally, because it's actually nice today. Spring is finally here. I'll go ahead and wait for the car to warm up a little bit more before I pop it in sport, start making noise before the sun goes down, because you know the sun, you know, it is 6:30, but sun, it will go down at like 7. It will be dark, something like that. But for right now, we got enough time to, you know, do a little video for you guys during the daytime. We should be cool. Everybody outside right now, walking their pets, their dogs, their cats, everybody. We out here though. Look, another dog. Another dog. I'm telling you, everybody outside right now walking their dogs. I need a dog so it can be in my passenger seat while I do my videos, so I don't be lonely. Did I not, dude? So I've been reading the comments, and I see that a lot of you guys are like looking into getting a BMW 440. That's pretty sick, bro. I'm glad that I can, you know, be of some sort of help for you guys if you're looking into getting a 440. But I definitely noticed a couple of you guys say, yo, I'm getting a 440 next week, you know, and asking me questions about it, and that's cool, bro. I'm telling you, you won't regret it, bro. You'll like it. You'll enjoy it as much as I do. So you'll be good. I really hate when people like go to a red light, right? And you can turn right on red, but they don't do it, and then they still wait for the green light. Like, bro, come on. Oh, look at that, right? Look at that. That thing is nice. That M3 looks fire. I just keep it to myself. I don't wanna know if you playing me. Keep it on the low, 'cause my heart can't take it anymore. You guys like my singing? W singing, right? Let me wait for this guy. So there's the mall right here, guys. Driving by the mall, see what's up. People are okay. People taking it serious. People are outside with shirts and stuff, man. Okay, I don't think it's that hot, but hey, do what you do. It's like a sweater weather right now. I don't think it's hot like that, you know. 60 degrees is still not like that hot. I mean, it's pretty warm compared to the days we've been having lately, but still not that hot, you feel me? You guys will Don't do this, man, when you get your 440, bro. Oh, it's a stop sign here. Whoa. How you turn it one to a sneaky link? What is this guy doing? He's driving on the wrong side of the street. This guy crazy. Let's go on the highway, bro. See what's going on. La última en cae. Ay. Oh, hay una bodega que me gusta más que tú. Get on the highway here. The little cutting off real quick. Última que tú. That one is. Yeah, that one is mad loud though. I love this car, bro. I really do. It's like the perfect speed. Like, it's not OD fast, but like it's not slow. Like, it's just good, bro. It's fast, but not like crazy fast. You feel me? But it's like a good speed that, you know, you could handle and you can still have a lot of fun with. So, you know, that's the good thing about it. Past this truck. Go ahead and take this exit here, boys. Yeah, you'll really enjoy this car, bro. You can, if you get the coupe, because I also saw one of you guys said you're getting the coupe next week, something like that. I don't know if it looks even nicer. I think it's like, you know, it all depends, bro. If you want a 4-door, then you'll like the Grand Coupe. Now, if you want a 2-door, then, you know, you get the coupe. But they're pretty much the same, bro. The coupe does look more like an M4, but obviously it's because it has 2-door. This one gives you a little bit more like an M6 vibes, but like smaller version. But either way, bro, you'll like it. You feel me? Mi mamá llorando, pegan los 40. You'll have as equal fun, bro. Y mi mamá llorando y me hacen así. Pa 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 pa. Let's go this way, see what's up. Me hacen así. Pa 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 pa. Little mall security. What's up? You gonna come after me? Pull up, you want? You know what's crazy, guys? So there's like a little mall. I've never been to any of these stores, but the only place I've been at, they have a movie theater up there. That's the only place I've been to, bro. The movie theater up there, and obviously the gym that I'm probably gonna be going here pretty soon. Other than that, I don't really go to any of these places, bro. One, I hate malls because I just hate walking, so You ain't catching me in a mall unless I absolutely have to, bro. You won't see your boy Sticks in the mall, bro. They're just not for me, bro. Let's take the car back here, bro. Come back around and go to the gym. Look at this straightaway. Yes, sir. It's pretty curvy over here, not gonna lie. Oh shoot, you can like see down there. That thing is down there. We're like on top of a hill, crazy. I need new places to drive to, bro. Like I need to find a street, like a like mountain trail kind of thing, where it's like curvy but not a lot of cars and shit. That should be fun. That would be so fun, but I just don't really know any place like that, you know? If we find one, that would be sick. Take the car up there, go with my boy A-Man, or you know, or whoever, or by myself, whoever wanna go. We can just go drive and have some fun. BMW right here, what is that? That's a 5 what? No, it's not an M5, but it's a 5 something. What do you guys think of the 5 series, bro? I like it. At first I didn't really like them just because they're like big family kind of car, but they're nice though, and they be out. Like, that's a 5 what? Let me see, I'll tell you right now. That's that new oh, that's a 7. That's even bigger than the 5. I thought it was a 5. That's a 750. Alright, you guys. Pretty much got to the gym, man. This is really my daily, bro. I really just drive this car, bro. Like, yeah, they probably think I don't be driving this car like that. I really do be driving this car though. You feel me? And it's gonna be my daily for a while too. So many plans coming. Make sure you guys are here for them. Subscribe if you guys are new. All that fun jizz. And yeah, so subscribe if you're new. All that. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.